Adventure bikes today are expected to do more than ever combine long-distance touring with off-road readiness and offer the comfort of a road bike with the toughness of a trail machine. In that demanding world, Aprilia has raised the bar by unveiling the 2025 Tuareg Rally, a motorcycle forged from competition and purpose-built for extreme terrain. It's not a dressed-up version of the Tuareg 660, it's a re-engineered rally machine shaped by real-world off-road experience and racing development. If you're a rider who seeks more than scenic roads, who views mud, gravel, and sand not as obstacles but as invitations, the Tuareg Rally is the kind of bike that speaks your language. Let's unpack what makes it such a compelling step forward in the adventure segment. A platform refined by rally heritage standard Aprilia Tuareg 660 already proved its worth as a versatile, well-balanced adventure motorcycle. But for 2025, Aprilia dives deeper into its rally racing expertise to create a more specialized machine. The Tuareg Rally, every aspect of the bike reflects a commitment to off-road performance, not just style, but substance. From the engine, mapping to the protective features and suspension changes, this is a bike with racing in its blood. And while many rally editions in the market offer little more than cosmetic upgrades, Aprilia's approach with the Tuareg Rally is grounded in engineering and real-world testing, engine optimization, smooth power where it counts powering. The 2025 Tuareg Rally is the same compact and proven 659cc parallel twin engine from the base model, but with one critical difference: it has been retuned for off-road dominance. The new rally-specific EQ map delivers sharper throttle response, tuned specifically for the stop-and-go intensity of off-road riding, while the 80 horsepower output remains unchanged. The throttle behavior and delivery characteristics have been transformed in tricky trail conditions, where throttle control can be the difference between success and a spill. The revised tuning pays major dividends. You'll feel the difference most in technical riding, tight switchbacks, deep sand, rocky climbs where instant response and linear feedback matter most. Adding to this, the SC Project Titanium exhaust reduces overall weight while enhancing the engine's breathing and acoustic presence. It's not just about sounding mean, it's about improving performance, reducing mass, and reinforcing the Rally's identity as a serious machine. Suspension, built for the rough stuff, suspension is where the Tuareg Rally shows its most decisive step forward. The Kaiba units remain fully adjustable front and rear, but Aprilia has made a bold and deliberate change: the switch to linear rate springs from progressive rate springs. This modification, seemingly small on the surface, is a game-changer for experienced off-roaders. Linear springs offer predictable and consistent compression, making them ideal for navigating variable terrain where sudden impacts and jumps are frequent. Riders can push harder and ride faster without worrying about unpredictable feedback. This enhanced suspension setup delivers greater confidence in aggressive terrain, tighter handling when fully loaded, and superior control when transitioning between rocks, sand, mud, and hardpack. It's not just capable, it's competition-ready, ruggedized for the wild. True to its name, the Tuareg Rally comes equipped with a series of reinforcements and upgrades that make it far more resilient than the standard model. These include thicker aluminum skid plate to guard the underside from rocks and impacts, new chain guide to ensure drivetrain reliability in dirt-heavy conditions, high dash-mounted front fender for mud clearance and aggressive looks, reinforced handguards that offer both wind protection and defense from brush or debris. The bike's wheels have also received a major upgrade. Ergo-spoked wheels, made from lightweight, high-strength alloy, provide enhanced impact resistance while reducing unsprung weight. They're tougher than cast wheels and better suited for serious adventure or rally riding. All of these elements combine to form a motorcycle that invites rough terrain and thrives in it. Ergonomics geared toward endurance. Aprilia knows that adventure doesn't happen in short stints. Riders need a bike that stays comfortable and controllable over long hours of demanding terrain. The Tuareg Rally addresses this with a taller, more supportive seat, giving riders extra legroom and making it easier to shift weight when standing. The new handlebar setup is wider and higher, improving leverage and offering a more upright riding position. This isn't just for comfort, it's about maximizing control when navigating off-road obstacles, while reducing fatigue over long hauls. These ergonomic refinements help transform the Rally into a bike you can ride from dawn to dusk in harsh conditions without feeling drained. Performance meets design. While the Tuareg Rally is purpose-built for off-road performance, Aprilia hasn't neglected style. The gold-anodized fork tubes, rims, and handlebars make a bold visual statement, while the Rally-inspired color scheme and updated graphics align with the bike's racing intentions. It's a machine that looks fast, feels fast, and demands attention whether parked at a trailhead or powering through a dusty landscape. Importantly, it's also lighter. The Tuareg Rally trims down to 439 pounds, reducing weight in key areas without compromising strength or functionality. In the world of adventure bikes, every pound matters, and Aprilia has found just enough to make this model more nimble and responsive. Shared innovations with the standard Tuareg. All updates are exclusive to the Rally. Aprilia has also enhanced the standard Tuareg 660 for 2025, equipping it with larger 52mm throttle bodies up from 48mm for improved responsiveness and efficiency. A sleeker headlight design modernizes the front end, while new colors like Tornado Green and Hailstorm White, paired with a red-painted frame, refresh its visual identity. These updates ensure that even riders who opt for the more road-friendly version benefit from Aprilia's continued evolution in design and performance. Build your own Rally customization options for those who already own a Tuareg 660 for riders who prefer to upgrade over time. Aprilia offers many of the Rally model's features as accessories. This includes the Ergo wheels, heavy-duty skid plate, handguards, high fender, and chain guide. You can also choose from comfort seats of varying heights, add heated seating, or install tire pressure monitoring systems. This modular approach gives riders the flexibility to build a custom setup that suits their needs and budget. Whether they're weekend explorers or long-haul adventurers, awaiting final price and release as of now, Aprilia has yet to release the official price of the Tuareg Rally. However, given the extensive upgrades in both hardware and performance, it will likely sit above the standard Tuareg in terms of cost. What remains clear is that Aprilia is offering more than just aesthetics. It's offering race-tested equipment that adds genuine value.